Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. Today on the GTI we're going to be looking at the gear stick, because when you put the car in reverse you're supposed to press the gear stick down, put it in reverse, but this seems to go into reverse without the need of pushing it down. I guess that means that the ball underneath the gear stick is worn away, so we're going to be looking at replacing that. And it's a bit of a pig of a job, but we're going to give it a go, see if we can do it, see if we can sort out that issue. Okay, so let's go. You may or may not have noticed I am a fan of wearing band t-shirts. On every episode now, when I wear a different t-shirt, I'm going to show you the t-shirt, tell you about the band. This is Smoking Gives You Big Tits. They're awesome, Riot Girl kind of band. Actually my wife's band, really good. Link to them in the description below, go and check them out. Let's get inside. I think we're going to have to start underneath the car. Okay, no we're not, we're going to go in the car first of all. Come on, let's go. First thing we want to do is take off the gate here and the plastic surround which surrounds the gear stick. As you can see, I've already done that, so I'm skipping that step. So we've already got the car on ramps. You want to do that because you're going to need to get underneath the car. The next thing we need to do is loosen up the two nuts here on the bottom of the gear stick. So you can see them with the light in here. We'll get a little, I think they're probably about 10mm, so we're going to get our 10mm socket and undo those. Okay, yeah, that's a 10mm socket, so you just get that down here. Shout out to John Newman, aka Rub Johnny, on Club GTI and other MK2 Golf forums. This process is based off of his guide, which you can find on there. I'll put a link to that in the description below. Thank you for that. Those words of wisdom there, Dad. Can you get your magnet thing?
Oh, you lost it already?
No, I'll just make it easier to get them out. What should we put these in? We'll put them on the chair here.
Are you sure now?
Yep.
Not going to lift the chair up together.
No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to go up. Okay, with those out, we need to go underneath the car, I think. Yep, let's go underneath. Well, we're under here. Oh, we need to remove the centre heat shield or rotate it round. Oh yes, need to undo these lovely clips. So, these are the things we've got to take off. There's one there, one there, one, should be one there. Let's come off already. And then same on the other side. There you go, that's got it moving.
No, I think you're okay, actually. Do you need anything else?
Okay. There's one off. 4 more to go because I've got one missing. Right, they're all off. Let's try and pull these down to get this around. So just pull it off these little clips, hold it in place. It's off there. There we go.
Almost out here. It's catching on something. That's on something down there. What are you doing? I don't think it will.
I think it will.
I'm just pulling it out.
Okay.
It was out, wasn't it?
So this is the thing we're trying to get to.
You get the
Need to try and push this up
get a jemmy on that.
into the car now somehow. Much like Blue Peter, here's another, well, not like Blue Peter at all actually. Here's another gear shifting box which we have, which I completely forgot about. So we can have a look at this and figure out exactly what we need to do. So when we're in the car, we basically need to yank this up and down until it's loose here on the inside, because we're replacing this ball down the bottom. But we can't get this off here.
That's going to be fixed at the front like that.
Yeah, it's going to be fixed at the front. So, let go, Dad. Push this into the bottom of the car. How's that going to go into the car? It'll actually go into the car, apparently.
No, that's not going to go in there.
Look, don't push it down there. That should knock through in there. And then, that'll come out. Oh my God, it's fiddly.
We'll pull this back.
And then that should drop out through the bottom of the car. Oh, there's that plate off as well. How's that plate going to come off?
What plate?
That plate there.
Oh, come on.
Wiggle the stop plate gently through the aperture. Ah, the stop plate will come through the aperture, Dad. That stop plate should come through the hole. There you go. And then the whole thing will come out. And we can bring it in the house, in here, and take it off, can't we?
Yeah.
Can we go inside and pull it up when you do it?
So once that's up, you need to get this plastic thing. Can you push that, get into the car and push it through? The thing that I've just knocked up, can you just get under and push it through?
With?
Just with your fingers.
Oh, aye, yeah, will you wriggle it about?
All right, just get, yeah, this. Hang on, I need to take the ball off it first, don't I, like you did. I need to try and get this ball out of here now. Right, let's get around the front of the car. Okay, so we need to undo this nut again and get this, try and get this push rod out that way. Right, I think we missed a step. There's 4 13mm bolts here holding this gear stick housing onto the car, so we're going to loosen these off. That might make it easier for us to have more room to get the gear stick out of the hole then, so let's try that. There we go, now we're taking that bloody, loosen those off, gives the gearbox more room, and that's come completely out. So now we should be able to just push that thing up. This is a fiddly bit, getting this back up. That's out. Now we can get this metal
I'll take one, go and pull it from the bottom.
Can you hold this housing still? Hold it here, Dad. Here. Thank you. This is so annoying.
Slow down.
Let's go try and get it out past the flipping exhaust pipe. Right, I'll go underneath and try and pull. There we go. All right. Oh, oh, nope. Okay, here, oops, let me brighten this up a bit, is our ball, and that is pretty flipping worn away at the edges there.
Where?
Here's the old one. See how completely worn that is compared to this new one. It's almost smooth all the way around. So let's get this off. Watch out, don't fall over anything. So to pull this down and knock this pin at the top
It's not
through. It's not easy, it'll need at least 2 here. But that's holding this in place.
I'll pop it back in again. Don't lose that pin, whatever you do.
Here's the pin. And this whoop, pops off. Right. Got our new ball.
This is the hardest part, put it back in. Lose your pin, whatever you do. Well, it's just a split pin, is it? So that thing's in there like that. Yeah? Yeah. And I can knock it in. Don't mess with me again. Gearstick.
Now we've got to try and get this back in the car. Should hopefully be a lot easier.
I don't know how much we'll need.
Quite a lot, I think.
That's too much wood, I'll fasten it up.
Okay.
Right.
What are you sitting inside?
Go on. Ow!
What? You alright?
Yeah, go on.
Hang on.
We're going to get the washers through first.
Ow!
What?
Oh, there you go. Well done. Right, we've brought this back up to the car now.
What?
So bolt this back up. No, let's get the bucket back in next. Lots of grease in here. Yeah, touch me nice in here. Smell like it'll be lovely. So, how do we get this in? So it's Right.
What we need to do is push that bloody thing forward. Right, a bit better. Can you, Scott, if I lift this up, can you slide the box back? There you go.
In.
Yeah.
Great, well done.
Simple when you got brains, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, and we'll get this back in bloody place now.
Hang on. A minute. Just hang on. This bloody gasket thing.
One on, I'll try and get the other one. Right, let's just get them nuts back on. Okay, so once again we've got the alignment tool on, just a case of tightening up that bolt on the front on the push rod, and then the gear should be nice and aligned. Okay, with that aligned, hopefully we should be able to get in gear now. Let's try first gear, second gear, reverse, there we go. Yeah, that's not going to reverse by accident. Push it down. Brilliant. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Cool. Okay, job done. Wasn't such a bad job really. It would have been a lot easier if I'd read the instructions. So if you're watching this video, please don't make the same mistakes I did. Make sure you undo the box from the bottom of the car first, because it makes things a hell of a lot easier. If you found this video useful, please consider dropping a like, click on subscribe. Let us know in the comments. If you found it really, really useful, you can buy us a beer on the link below. Until the next video, we'll see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.